Hello friends, welcome to 7th HTML and CSS tutorial from Easyway. This is Aftab. Today we are gonna make our first CSS file. Okay, so open your folder where you put your HTML file. Here we are gonna make a new folder. Okay, so click on new folder and name this folder as CSS. Okay, so we are make a folder named CSS. Here we will put our CSS file. Okay, so go back to your editor and click on this icon. It should say new. Okay, so click on the new button and this will open a new tab here. Okay, so now click press Ctrl plus S and you should see up press Ctrl plus S. You should see a save as button here. Okay, at first actually if you click on this new and press Ctrl plus save, it will not occur any pop-up because of this is just a fresh file and you didn't edit anything. So just press a simple space and then press Ctrl plus S. Okay, so it will show a pop-up menu for saving the file. So here select the CSS folder. Okay, then give a file name like style and click on the save as type and select the cascading style sheets file. Here you can see that cascading style sheets file. Okay, so select this one and hit in save. Okay, so now your file is ready. Here we can write our CSS codes. So now we need to include our CSS file in our HTML file. So here inside the head section we will link up this style file. So link rel equal style sheet and href equal css, which is our folder name, slash style dot css. Okay, which is our file name and the extension. So you guys already know this is the relation, and the relation is the style sheet, which is our cascading style sheet type, and the href is the hyperreference of the file. So I write the full path of the file here. So now our browser can know, or our HTML program can know where actually I link up the style sheet. So press Ctrl plus save, Ctrl plus S, and go to back to your browser and hit F5. Okay, so now it refresh and actually link up, actually it loads our new written code from the editor. Okay, so you know guys, in web browser you can see your code by pressing Ctrl plus U, or by right click anywhere in the browser and click on this one and select this view page source. Okay, so this one, view page source. By clicking here or by pressing Ctrl plus U, you can show your source code of this file. Okay, of your file. So actually this is the read-only mode of your HTML program. Okay, you can't edit this, you just can read this. So now I told you about the hyperreference. This source view highlighted all the hyperreference. These are the hyperreference. Okay, if you hover over your mouse in text, you can see a plain pipe sign like sign the of the mouse pointer. Okay, but if you hover over your mouse on the hyperreference link, which is the underline and the blue one, so this is the hyperreference link, you can see at the bottom left corner, you can see here. Okay, when I hover over my mouse over there, please look here. So you can see that it shows a link up, which is my drive, then my folder name, then the folder name, then folder name, then the file name and the extension. This is the full path actually. Okay, so this is the hyperreference, and the source view of our file, it highlighted all the hyperreference used in our HTML program. So you guys may think why I tell you all these things now. So this is because of to make sure that we include our file perfectly. When you click on this link, this will take you to their file. So right click on this, actually we will check both of this. So right click on the favicon.ico, open link in new tab. You can see that here it is our favicon. So this file is actually open inside our browser. Okay, now as same as the process is same, right click on our CSS file and click on open link in new tab. You can see that it is showing style.css. so our CSS file actually link to our linked with our HTML program. So we can make sure by doing this small process. Okay, so let's make some changes in our CSS file. So here I can make a new class like .c1. you guys already know to make class we need to add a dot. So no need to write anything now, just make sure this is our file. Okay, so I hit Ctrl+S, and now go back to your browser and hit F5. You can see that our code is loaded here. So this is our read only actually source view of our CSS file. So guys, that's all for this part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.